Oh my God. This crowd is massive. Hope and change has been in short supply for the last 2 years, but today is a positive step in the right direction. Gun violence has been a problem for far too long because those in power have kept it that way and they've been paid for this inaction. But we have a generation that's saying enough is enough.
Enough is enough! No more violence! Ain't good violence!
America is saying never again.
My nephew, Deshaun Moore, he was taken away on May 28th in the year of 2017, 2 weeks after his 16th birthday.
They are the ones who fear our free speech. We will vote to arm our teachers with funds, not guns. And those who continue to represent corporate interests over the interest of citizens should be worried.
Expecting others to do the work is not an option. There is no other option. Rely on each other. Trust in each other. Because that is what we must do. When we leave here today, we go back to our lives. And it may feel that in that moment, we are alone again. But we are not alone again.
We will vote to abolish ICE so that more children don't have to die in the name of a misunderstood. We will vote so that people like Stephon Clark aren't gunned down in their grandmother's backyard. We will vote to abolish ICE. It's incredible watching people on Fox News that make careers off of claiming the left fears free speech collectively lose their minds over a group of high school students speaking out against the NRA.
Look around you.
Look around.
Look at everyone who cares. Look at everyone who is here today. Trust in each other. Rely on each other. We are here to support one another through those times. And so we can say that even though at times it may feel like a struggle for us, we will not give up because we have reached a hurdle. We will instead turn to the tens of thousands, millions of people that are like-minded like us, and we will ensure that they will be there to support us in our hour of need. Now don't be afraid to close your eyes and dream of a better world.
Here are saying, and workers all over America
Enough
saying,
is enough.
Enough is enough.
But make sure that when you open your eyes again, you make that dream your goal. And you fight to achieve that goal. Right this very second, there is a mother in a farrowing crate. And she is biting on those bars over and over and over, hoping that they will break. Now in this moment there is a dairy calf in a solitary confinement pen who is calling out for their mother who they have just been separated from. What I can tell you right now is there is a chicken laid on the ammonia and feces-riddled barn that we incarcerate them in. They are laid on their back, dying from organ failure because of the selective breeding that we have forced upon their species.